Hi, I'm Janae with Janae's Tropicals in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to plant onion seeds. You'll need the following materials. You'll need a seed tray, milled sphagnum moss seed starter, onion seeds, and a watering can. It's a good idea to begin your seed about 6 to 8 weeks prior to springtime. So by the time spring hits, you're ready to transplant and grow your onions. First of all, you want to fill your tray with milled sphagnum moss, pack it in, then water it in so it's nice and moist. Poke holes about ½ inch deep. Take your seed pack and just put a small cluster of seed per square. Take your finger and cover the seed up with just a thin layer, maybe a quarter of an inch, and then water it in so it's nice and moist. And then put them in a nice bright window in the kitchen. And generally it's a good idea to start the seed about 6 to 8 weeks before springtime. And then by the time they're ready to put in the garden, the sun is shining and they're ready to go. And it's best to harvest the tops of the onions when they're about 6 to 8 inches and they're nice and tender and tasty. I'm Janae. You have a wonderful day.